I'm Joey Huang. I'm a PhD student in the Learning Sciences program at the School of Education, and I'm currently working at CEWIT as a 3D printing intern.
So you can tell here, 3D printing.
The way I got into 3D printing is because of one of the robotics project I got involved, and I started really get into the design process of this, and I spent hours and hours of the time. I think CEWIT actually gave me a lot of opportunities and chance to kind of explore different possibilities in terms of technology. Every time when we host a workshop as a group, I feel like I get to know my interns much better, and then I get questions from the participants, and that's actually built on my communication skills and the collaborative skills when I work with other interns. I'm still keep working at CEWIT because I love it.